So today we're going to make a picture frame that looks similar to this. And the materials needed are construction paper, pencil, ruler, scissors, and markers. So the first thing we're going to do is bring out a construction sheet of paper, ones that we have here. And we're going to bring out our ruler and measure out the corner. We're going to measure out 2 inches here and 2 inches here. Now what we're going to do is to make a line, not across the paper, but directly under where this line is placed. And so when we measure it out, they should both connect. And so we're going to cut this piece out. And you're just going to do the same to every corner, like the corner that I have here that I already did, and the corner here. You can just trace the square. And then trace the square here too, and just cut it out. And then it should end up looking like this. I already got started and decorated my flaps, so you guys can go ahead and decorate it, add flowers, add any designs that you want. But once you're done, we're just gonna flip it over, grab a piece of tape, roll up the tape so it's all on the sticky side, and you're just gonna add the tape to the middle, and you're just gonna roll it. And you can grab a number 2 pencil and just stick it in the hole so you can just stamp it on. And you're gonna do that on all 4 flaps. So grab a piece of tape, roll up the tape, add it to the middle of the flap, and just roll it like that. It should end up looking like this. And once you get to this point, you can add a picture, or just like how I did it, I made a little inspirational quote to make today a great day. And that it will be the end of this project. You can hang it up on your wall, you can put it up on the fridge and add magnets to it. You can do whatever you want with this